to light the lamp and give the start to our evening today.
I hope you can see the lamp.
Yes, ma'am. Jyotsna, can you please accompany ma'am with some music, please?
Others, please switch off your camera.
Thank you, Sahana. Thank you, Jyotsna. That was really a wonderful Veena presentation by you. Ma'am, that's a beautiful lamp. Thank you so much, ma'am. May I please request you to speak a words before we start the event?
Good evening. Good evening to all faculty members, staff, dear students, and parents. Good evening. Jyotsna, that was a wonderful presentation. Thank you so much. Well, to begin with, I'm sure you all agree with me. Music plays a great role in our lives. Music also fuels the mind, and thus it fuels our creativity too. A creative mind allows to make great discoveries and innovations. And also it helps to evaluate difficult emotions and also helps in having the relaxation and stress reduction. Dear students, you all agree with me. Yes, of course, due to this COVID-19 pandemic, uh, it's a tough time. We teachers and students at BMSCA are still continuing our learning journey even in these tough times. We have a lot of challenges to face, and we never stopped ourselves. We have put in our best efforts all these 3-4 months, and there was a lot of anxiety which continues even now. And we did go through this unsettling time for quite some time now. But I'm really proud to tell that all my students and faculty in the last 3-4 months of the semester, with such uncertainty, with so many challenges, we did sail through, we did cope up with the pressure, we did address all those challenges which we had to face. And end of the day, when I see some of the works of the students, I'm really proud of you all. Even with all these challenges, you have sailed through and you have presented wonderful work of this current semester. And congratulations to all of you for facing this during this hardship, but you never gave up and you did put in your best. When I saw all those works, definitely I felt I should tell you a few things, or I did learn a lot of things seeing your work, that motivation plays a very key important role in our life. Definitely, motivation is the key to successful life. We may be successful, we may not be successful, but definitely motivation is one of the important ingredients which is very much essential in our life. All the more during this tough time. Thus, motivation rings tune to all of us, regardless, it is an essential one, regardless of our status, profession, or age. We definitely cannot achieve much without the determination. We cannot succeed. We cannot succeed if we lack the perseverance to hurdle obstruction on that get in whatever way we have. So when I did see all your works, and when I did have regular meetings with the faculty members and also with the student leaders, I was really proud of you all, that you all sailed through this semester without giving up any hopes or lagging behind or lacking in motivation. I had lots to learn seeing you all sailing through this. And I'm glad even the faculty members joined hands, both teaching as well as non-teaching faculty. And we are almost come to the end of the semester. When all these discussions were happening, I was just talking to Sahana. I was telling her during the conversation that I do miss my students in the campus. Whenever I go to college, I feel it's so empty, and there's no life. There's no life to the campus without you students over there. And that was the point I said, we should do something to connect back and ensure that whatever talent they have, it has to be portrayed across in some way so that they don't feel that they are completely disconnected from whatever we were doing on campus. I thank the AKIA Musical Club team members and faculty coordinators, Sahana, Shweta, and Sindhu Shri, along with all the students who are performing today. Thank you so much for organizing this and connecting all of us this evening. Wish you all the best for your performance. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am, for those beautiful words, for all the encouragement and support. We really feel honored. Dear friends, let us now start off our musical evening with a beautiful, soulful rendering from our Akshita Bhaskar from second semester PG. She intends to kick off this evening with a Bhavagite penned by our Rashtrakavi Kuvempu. And the song invokes Mother Goddess Shakti to come down on earth and enlighten us all. Over to you, Akshita.
Thank you, ma'am. Om Satchidanand ತ್ರಿಧ್ವಮುಖವಾದ ಪರಬ್ರಹ್ಮದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಭವದುತ್ತಾದೆ ತದಚಿತ್ತಾದಿನಿ ಇಳಿದು ಬಾ ಇಳೆಗೆ ತುಂಬಿತಾನ್ ಬೆಳೆಗೆ ಜೀವಕೇಂದ್ರದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೂಡಿ ಬಾ ಒತ್ತಿನಿ ನನ್ನ ಚಿತ್ತ ಪೃಥ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೆ ಮೂಡಿ ಬಾ ಒತ್ತಿನಿ ನನ್ನ ಚಿತ್ತ ಪೃಥ್ವಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಋತದ ಚಿತ್ತಾಗಿ ವಿಶ್ವಗಳ ಸೃಜಿಸಿ ನಡೆಸುತ್ತಿಹ ಶಕ್ತಿಯೇ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಣಗಳ ಮನೋಲೋಕಗಳ ಸೂತ್ರಧರ ಯುಕ್ತಿಯೇ ಅಖಿಲ ಬಂಧನದ ಹೃದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಿನಾಶಿಯಾಸಕ್ತಿಯೇ ನಿನ್ನ ಅವತಾರವೆನ್ನ ಉದ್ಧಾರ ಬಾದಿವ್ಯ ಮುಕ್ತಿಯೇ ಎಲ್ಲವನು ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲರೊಳಗೂಡಿ ನೀನೇ ಎಲ್ಲವಾದೆ ಜ್ಯೋತಿಯಾದರೂ ತಮೋ ಲೀಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಜಡದ ಮುದ್ದಾದೆ ಎನಿತು ಕರೆದರೂ ಗೊಳ್ಳದಿರುವ ಚಿನ್ನಿದ್ರಿಯಾದೆ ಬೆಳಗಿ ನನ್ನಾತ್ಮ ತಿಳಿದು ಬಾತ ಎಂದಮ್ಮ ಬೋಧೆ ಬಾತಾಯಿ ಇಳಿದು ಬಾ ತಾಯೇ ಇಳಿದು ಬಾ ತಾಯಿ ಇಳಿದು ಬಾ ತಾಯೇ ಇಳಿದು ಬಾ ಗಾಳಿಗುಸಿರು ನೀ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಗುರಿಯು ನೀನುದಕ ಕದರ ಜೀವ ಇಂದ್ರ ವರುಣಾರ್ಕ ದೇವರನು ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡಿ ಕಾವ ಶಿವನ ಶಕ್ತಿ ನೀ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ನೀ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖನ ರಾಣಿ ದಿವ್ಯ ವಿಜ್ಞಾನ ನನ್ನೊಳುದ್ಭವಿಸೆ ಮತಿಗಾಗಮಿಸುವಾಣಿ ಹೃದಯ ಪದ್ಮ ತಾನರಳಿ ಕರೆವೆ ಬಾರಮ್ಮ ಬಾ ಇಳಿದು ಬಾ ಮನೋದ್ವಾರತಾಗಿರಿಯ ಕರೆವೆ ಜಗದಂಬೆ ಬಾ ಇಳಿದು ಬಾ ಅಗ್ನಿ ಹಂಸ ಗರಿಗೆದರಿ ಕರೆವೆ ಬಾ ತಾಯಿ ಬಾ ಇಳಿದು ಬಾ ಚೈತ್ಯ ಪುರುಷ ಯಜ್ಞಕ್ಕೆ ನೀನೆ ಅಧ್ವರೆಯು ಬಾ ಇಳಿದು ಬಾ ತಾಯಿ ಇಳಿದು ಬಾ ತಾಯೇ ಇಳಿದು ಬಾ ತಾಯಿ ಇಳಿದು ಬಾ ತಾಯೇ ಇಳಿದು ಬಾ Thank you.
Wow. Thank you so much, Akshita. Indeed, a very difficult composition, but you were so flawless. Thank you so much. Next, coming to our second performance of the day, we have Mr. Anirudh Kalkunte. He is from second semester A section, and he will be presenting an Annamacharya Kriti, Brahma Mokate, on his flute. Thank you, Anirudh. A beautiful performance. Next, we have Ms. Likita from 6th B to present a Bhavagite in which she'll be describing Mother Nature.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲಿಖಿತಾ ಸಿ ಫ್ರಮ್ 6th ಸೆಮಿಸ್ಟರ್. ನಾನು ಹಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವ ಹಾಡು ಭಾವಗೀತೆ. ನಮಿಸುವೆನು ತಾಯೇ ಹಸಿರುಡೆಯ ಮಾಯೇ, ನಮಿಸುವೆನು ತಾಯೇ ಹಸಿರುಡೆಯ ಮಾಯೆ, ಜೀವರಸ ಹೂಡಿ ನೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಯೆ. ನಮಿಸುವೆನು ತಾಯೇ ಸಪ್ತವರ್ಣದ ಸೆರಗ ನೀನು ಹೊದೆದಿರುವೆ, ತಾರೆಗಳ ಪೋಣಿಸುತ್ತ ಮುಡಿಗೇರಿಸಿರುವೆ. ಸಪ್ತವರ್ಣದ ಸೆರಗ ನೀನು ಹೊದೆದಿರುವೆ, ತಾರೆಗಳ ಪೋಣಿಸುತ್ತ ಮುಡಿಗೇರಿಸಿರುವೆ. ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳ ಸಂಗೀತ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೊರಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳ ಸಂಗೀತ ನಿನ್ನ ಕೊರಳಲ್ಲಿ, ಜೀವಕೋಟಿಗಳೆಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನ ಮಡಿಲಲ್ಲಿ. ನಮಿಸುವೆನು ತಾಯೇ ಹಸಿರುಡೆಯ ಮಾಯೇ, ನಮಿಸುವೆನು ತಾಯೇ ಹಸಿರುಡೆಯ ಮಾಯೆ, ಜೀವರಸ ಹೂಡಿ ನೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಯೆ. ನಮಿಸುವೆನು ತಾಯೇ ಅಂತರಾಳದ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬುಗಿದೇಳದಿರಲಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣೆಯ ಕೈಯ ನೆರಳು ಹರಡಿರಲಿ. ಅಂತರಾಳದ ಬೆಂಕಿ ಬುಗಿದೇಳದಿರಲಿ, ನಿನ್ನ ಕರುಣೆಯ ಕೈಯ ನೆರಳು ಹರಡಿರಲಿ. ನೆಲಬಾನ ನಡುವಿರಲಿ ನೀ ಹೊಳೆವ ಕಾನು, ನೆಲಬಾನ ನಡುವಿರಲಿ ನೀ ಹೊಳೆವ ಕಾನು, ನಿನ್ನ ಆಸರೆ ಇರಲು ಬೇಕು ಬೇರೇನು. ನಮಿಸುವೆನು ತಾಯೇ ಹಸಿರುಡೆಯ ಮಾಯೇ, ನಮಿಸುವೆನು ತಾಯೇ ಹಸಿರುಡೆಯ ಮಾಯೆ, ಜೀವರಸ ಹೂಡಿ ನೀ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಯೆ. ನಮಿಸುವೆನು ತಾಯೇ, ನಮಿಸುವೆನು ತಾಯೇ, ನಮಿಸುವೆನು ತಾಯೇ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, Likita. That was a very good performance. Next, we have Harshavardhan, and he would be singing us a Bhavagita. Now, the composer is Dr. H.S. Venkatesh Murthy, and the song is Amma Nanu Devarani. Harshavardhan, here you go.
Harshavardhan, sorry, there is your audio is muted. Please switch on your mic.
Hello, can you hear me now, ma'am?
Yes, we can hear you.
Please go
Your
ahead.
video is off now.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, now you can.
ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ದೇವರಾಣೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಕದಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ದೇವರಾಣೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಕದಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯ ಮೆತ್ತಿದರಮ್ಮ. ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ದೇವರಾಣೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಕದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ, ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ದೇವರಾಣೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಕದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿ ನನ್ನ ಬಾಯಿಗೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಯ ಮೆತ್ತಿದರಮ್ಮ. ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ದೇವರಾಣೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಕದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ದೇವರಾಣೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಕದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ನೀನೇ ನೋಡು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಗಡಿಗೆ ನೀನೇ ನೋಡು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಗಡಿಗೆ ಸೂರಿನ ನಿಲುವಲ್ಲಿ ನೀನೇ ನೋಡು ಬೆಣ್ಣೆಗಡಿಗೆ ಸೂರಿನ ನಿಲುವಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ತಾನೆ ತೆಗೆಯಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಹೇಗೆ ತಾನೆ ತೆಗೆಯಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ನನ್ನ ಪುಟ್ಟ ಕೈಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ದೇವರಾಣೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಕದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ದೇವರಾಣೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಕದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಷಮ ಹೇಳಿದ ಕ್ಷಮ ಹೇಳಿದ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಮೆತ್ತಿದ ತನ್ನ ಬಾಯಿ ಒರೆಸುತ್ತ ಕ್ಷಮ ಹೇಳಿದ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಮೆತ್ತಿದ ತನ್ನ ಬಾಯಿ ಒರೆಸುತ್ತ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಒರೆಸಿದ ಕೈಯ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಒರೆಸಿದ ಕೈಯ ಬತ್ನ ಹಿಂದೆ ಒರೆಸುತ್ತ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ದೇವರಾಣೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಕದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ನಾನು ದೇವರಾಣೆ ಬೆಣ್ಣೆ ಕದ್ದಿಲ್ಲಮ್ಮ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
Thank you, Harshavardhan. That was very nice. I think it is one of the most loved songs by everybody, which is composed by Dr. H.S. Venkateshmurthy sir. Next, we have Manjula, and she will be singing for us a classical song. The composer is Pattam Subramanya Iyer, and it is Marivera Nikkevaraya Rama. Manjula?
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, please go. Manjula, you can turn on your video also.
Is it working?
Yes, go ahead.
Sari ga ma pa da ni sa sa ni da pa ma ga ri ta da re na tadani Mari verdi ke parai ದರಿದ ಪುನೇನಿ ದರಿದ ಪುನೇನಿ ನಾ ಜಾಯಿ ದೀಪ್ತಿ 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 ನಯ ಜೇಸಿ ರಾಜೆ ಬರಲಿ ಮುಖದ ದಯ ಜೇಸಿ ರಾಜೆ ಬರಲಿ ಮುಖದ ಬರಿವೆ ನೀಗೆ ಬರಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಮತಿ ಮತಿ ರೂಪ ಬಲೆ ನಾಮರಿವೆ ಕವನಯ್ಯ ರಾಮ ಕಾಲನಮ್ಮಿ ನವಾಡ ಚಾಲನಮ್ಮಿ ನವಾಡ తెలిసియుండగ సన్మోతాగ శ్రీ సన్మోతాగ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ నీవు సన్మోతాగ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ నీవు సన్మోతాగ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ నీవు సన్మోతాగ శ్రీ వెంకటేశ నీవు నన్ను బ్రోవ కాయుండుట న్యాయమా నన్ను బ్రోవ కాయుండుట న్యాయమా మరి వేళ నీకే వరయ్య రామ మాటి మాటి రూపబలె నామరి వేళ నీకే వరయ్య రామ. Thank you.
Thank you, Manjula. All the compositions of Pattam Subramanya Iyer sir are really complex and you pulled it off really well. Thank you very much. Next, we have Sridevi with us and she will be singing a Devaranama and this is composed by Kanakadasaru and it goes Toredu Jeevisabahude Hari Ninna Charanagala. Sridevi, can you please start the song?
ಮರೆವೆನಭ್ಯುದಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಿನ್ನನು ಮರೆಯನ ಪತ್ತಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊರೆಯೆಂದೊರೆಯುವೆನೋ ಮನವೇಗ ಭಾವದೊಳಿಲ್ಲ ಮನವೇಗ ಭಾವದೊಳಿಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನ ಮರೆತು ಬಾಹಿರನಾದವನ ನೀ ಮರೆಯುವೆಯೇನು ಹಸು ತಣ್ಣಯ ಕಂದನ ಮರೆವುದೇ ಮಮತೆಯಲಿ ರಕ್ಷಿಸೆನ್ನವರತ ಅನವರತ ಅನವರತ ತುರೆದು ಜೀವಿಸಬಹುದೇ ಹರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣಗಳ ತೊರೆದು ಜೀವಿಸಬಹುದೇ ಹರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣಗಳ ಬರಿದ ಮಾತೆಗಿನ್ನು ಅರಿತು ಬೇಡುವೆ ನಯ್ಯ ತೊರೆದು ಜೀವಿಸಬಹುದೇ ಹರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣಗಳ ತಾಯಿ ತಂದೆಯ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಪವ ಮಾಡಲು ಬಹುದು ತಾಯಿ ತಂದೆಯ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ತಪವ ಮಾಡಲು ಬಹುದು ದಾಯಾದಿ ಬಂಧುಗಳ ಬಿಡಲು ಬಹುದು ದಾಯಾದಿ ಬಂಧುಗಳ ಬಿಡಲು ಬಹುದು ರಾಯತ ಮುನಿದರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನೇ ಬಿಡಬಹುದು ರಾಯತ ಮುನಿದರೆ ರಾಜ್ಯವನ್ನೇ ಬಿಡಬಹುದು ಕಾಯಜ ಪಿತನಿನ್ನ ಅಡಿಯ ಬಿಡಲಾಗದೋ 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 ತೊರೆದು ಜೀವಿಸಬಹುದೇ ಹರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣಗಳ ಪ್ರಾಣವನು ಪರರು ಬೆಳೆದಿದರೆ ಎತ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನವ ತಗ್ಗಿಸಲುಬಹುದು ಪ್ರಾಣವನು ಪರರು ಬೇಡಿದರೆ ಎತ್ತಿ ಕೊಡಬಹುದು ಮಾನದಲ್ಲಿ ಮನವ ತಗ್ಗಿಸಲುಬಹುದು ಪ್ರಾಣನಾಯಕನಾದ ಆದಿಕೇಶವರಾಯ ಜಾಣ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಜಾಣ ಶ್ರೀ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ನಿನ್ನಡಿಯ 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 ಖಲಿಗೆ ಬಿಡಲಾಗದೋ 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 ತೊರೆದು ಜೀವಿಸಬಹುದೇ ಹರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣಗಳ ಬರಿದೆ ಮಾತೆಗಿನ್ನು ಅರಿತು ಬೇಡುವೆ ನಯ್ಯ ತೊರೆದು ಜೀವಿಸಬಹುದೇ ಹರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣಗಳ ಹರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣಗಳ ಹರಿ ನಿನ್ನ ಚರಣಗಳ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.
Wow, Sri Devi, that was so beautiful, melodious, and so full of bhakti. Thank you so much. Now, before we proceed to the next singer, I have a few requests. Number one, please stay back till the end of the program because at the end we have a small surprise for you all. And secondly, for an artist, the biggest gift you can give is some applause. Since we are online and you're all requested to be on mute, we would kindly request you to leave comments as encouragement for our students. Thank you. Now, coming to the next performance, I call upon Rashmi Shabadi from second semester MArch to present a devotional song, a song that so beautifully, cutely calls upon little Krishna to get back home. Rashmi, over to you.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, is the video all visible? Hello, ma'am. Is the video visible?
No, your video is not seen, Rashmi.
Ma'am, give me a second, please.
Yes, sure.
ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಮನೆಗೆ 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 ಮಳೆ ಬಂತು ನಡೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಛಲವೇಕೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಮನೆಗೆ ಗುಡುಗನು ಕೇಳಿ ನಾನಡಗೋತಲಿರುವೆ ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿ ಸೆಳೆತಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಳಲಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ಗುಡುಗನು ಕೇಳಿ ನಾನಡಗೋತಲಿರುವೆ ಬಿರುಗಾಳಿ ಸೆಳೆತಕ್ಕೆ ತೊಳಲಾಡುತ್ತಿರುವೆ ಕಂದ ಮುಕುಂದನೇ ಕಂದ ಮುಕುಂದನೇ ವಂದಿಪೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಿಸಿ ನೀರ ಎರೆಯುವೆ ಗಂಧೆಣ್ಣೆ ಪೋಸಿ ಕುಡಿಯಲು ಕೊಡುವೆನು ಕೆನೆ ಹಾಲು ಕಾಸಿ ಬಿಸಿ ನೀರ ಎರೆಯುವೆ ಗಂಧೆಣ್ಣೆ ಪೋಸಿ ಕುಡಿಯಲು ಕೊಡುವೆನು ಕೆನೆ ಹಾಲು ಕಾಸಿ ಕಂಸ ಸಂಹಾರಿಯೇ ಕಂಸ ಸಂಹಾರಿಯೇ ಶರಣೆಂಬೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಮನೆಗೆ ದಣಿದಿರುವೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ದಿನವೆಲ್ಲಾಡಿ ಮಲಗಿಸುವೆನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೋಗುಳವ ಪಾಡಿ ದಣಿದಿರುವೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣಯ್ಯ ದಿನವೆಲ್ಲಾಡಿ ಮಲಗಿಸುವೆನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಜೋಗುಳವ ಪಾಡಿ ಕಾಳಿಂಗ ಮಾರ್ದನೆ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪೋಗೋಣ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಪೋಗೋಣ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಾರಯ್ಯ ಬಾ ಕೃಷ್ಣ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thanks a lot, Rashmi. That was a beautiful performance. Next, we have Santosh KS from 4th semester C section. He will present Rashtrakavi G.S. Shivarudrappa's iconic Kanada Kadalige Hambaliside Mana. The poet here uses the metaphors of stream and a sea to describe a man's search for meaning in life and his longing for something that he wishes to attain sometime, someday. Over to you, Santosh.
ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲಿಗೆ ಹಂಬಲಿಸಿದೆ ಮನ, ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲಿಗೆ ಮನ.
I would request everyone else apart from the participant to kindly mute their microphones.
ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲಿಗೆ ಹಂಬಲಿಸಿದೆ ಮನ, ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲಿಗೆ ಹಂಬಲಿಸಿದೆ ಮನ. ಕಾಣಬಲ್ಲೆನೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಕಡಲನ್ನು ಕೂಡಬಲ್ಲೆನೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನ, ಕಾಣಬಲ್ಲೆನೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಕಡಲನ್ನು ಕೂಡಬಲ್ಲೆನೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನ. ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲಿಗೆ ಹಂಬಲಿಸಿದೆ ಮನ. ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲಿನ ಮೊರೆತದ ಜೋಗುಳ ಒಳಗಿವಿಗಿಂದು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದೆ, ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲಿನ ಮೊರೆತದ ಜೋಗುಳ ಒಳಗಿವಿಗಿಂದು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಿದೆ. ನನ್ನ ಕಲ್ಪನೆಯು ತನ್ನ ಕಡಲನ್ನೇ ಚಿತ್ರಿಸಿ ಚಿಂತಿಸಿ ಸುಯುತ್ತಿದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿರುವುದೋ ಅದು, ಎಂತಿರುವುದೋ ಅದು, ನೋಡಬಲ್ಲೆನೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಅದರೊಳು ಕೂಡಬಲ್ಲೆನೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನ. ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲಿಗೆ ಹಂಬಲಿಸಿದೆ ಮನ. ಸಾವಿರ ಹೊಳೆಗಳು ತುಂಬಿ ಹರಿದರು ಒಂದೇ ಸಮನಾಗಿಹುದಂತೆ, ಸಾವಿರ ಹೊಳೆಗಳು ತುಂಬಿ ಹರಿದರು ಒಂದೇ ಸಮನಾಗಿಹುದಂತೆ ಸುನೀಲ ವಿಸ್ತರ ತರಂಗ ಶೋಭಿತ ಗಂಭೀರಾಂಬುಧೀತಾನಂತೆ ಮುನ್ನೀರಂತೆ ಅಪಾರವಂತೆ ನೋಡಬಲ್ಲೆನೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಅದರೊಳು ಕೂಡಬಲ್ಲೆನೆ ಒಂದು ದಿನ ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲಿಗೆ ಹಂಬಲಿಸಿದೆ ಮನ ಜಟಿಲ ಕಾನನದ ಕುಟಿಲ ಪಥಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿವ ತೋರೆಯೂ ನಾನು ಎಂದಿಗಾದರೂ 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 ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲನ್ನು ಸೇರಬಲ್ಲೆನೇನು ಜಟಿಲ ಕಾನನದ ಕುಟಿಲ ಪಥಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಹರಿವ ತೋರೆಯೂ ನಾನು ಎಂದಿಗಾದರೂ ಕಾಣದ ಕಡಲನ್ನು ಸೇರಬಲ್ಲೆನೇನು ಸೇರಬಹುದೇ ನಾನು ಕಡಲ ನೀನೆಯೊಳು ಕರಗಬಹುದೇ ನಾನು ಕರಗಬಹುದೇ ನಾನು ಕರಗಬಹುದೇ ನಾನು Thank you.
Thank you, Santosh. We were so lost in the performance. It was amazing. Thank you so much. Moving on, we now have Ms. Maithili Vanahalli of 4th semester B section. She will be presenting K.S. Narasimhaswamy's Paduvana Kadalina Neeliya Banna, a Bhavagite that so beautifully describes our state, our Kannada Nadu. Maithili, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. The song which I am singing is Paduvana Kadalina Neeliya Banna, written by K.S. Narasimhaswamy. ಪಡುವಣ ಕಡಲಿನ ನೀಲಿಯ ಬಣ್ಣ ಮುಡಿಯೊಳು ಸಂಜೆಯ ಅಂಚಿನ ಚಿನ್ನ ಪಡುವಣ ಕಡಲಿನ ನೀಲಿಯ ಬಣ್ಣ ಮುಡಿಯೊಳು ಸಂಜೆಯ ಅಂಚಿನ ಚಿನ್ನ ಹೊಳೆಗಳ ಸೆರಗಿನ ಪಚ್ಚೆಯ ಬಯಲು ಬಿರುಮಳೆಗಂಜದ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಸಾಲು ಹೊಳೆಗಳ ಸೆರಗಿನ ಪಚ್ಚೆಯ ಬಯಲು ಬಿರುಮಳೆಗಂಜದ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಸಾಲು ಹುಲಿಕಾಡಾನೆಗಳಲೆಯುವ ಕಾಡಿದು ಸಿರಿಗನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ಸಿರಿಗನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ಕಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಯಸಿದ ರೂಪವ ಕೊಡಿಸಿ ಮುಗಿಲಿಗೆ ತಾಗುವ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ಕಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಬಯಸಿದ ರೂಪವ ಕೊಡಿಸಿ ಮುಗಿಲಿಗೆ ತಾಗುವ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸಿ ದಾನ ಧರ್ಮಗಳ ಕೊಡುಗೈಯಾಗಿ ದಾನ ಧರ್ಮಗಳ ಕೊಡುಗೈಯಾಗಿ ವೀರಾವೇಶವ ತೊಟ್ಟಿಲು ತೂಗಿ ಬೆಳಗಿದ ನಾಡಿದು ಚಂದನ ಗಂಪಿನ ಸಿರಿಗನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ಸಿರಿಗನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಳದಿಹ ಹೂಗಳಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾಡಲು ಬಾರದ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅರಳದಿಹ ಹೂಗಳಿಲ್ಲ ಹಾಡಲು ಬಾರದ ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳಿಲ್ಲ ಸಾವಿರ ದೀಪಗಳ ಅರಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಸಾವಿರ ದೀಪಗಳ ಅರಮನೆಯೊಳಗೆ ಶರಣೆನ್ನುವೆ ಈ ವೀಣಾ ಧ್ವನಿಗೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿದು ಮಿಂಚುವ ಕಂಗಳ ಸಿರಿಗನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ಸಿರಿಗನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ಪಡುವಣ ಕಡಲಿನ ನೀಲಿಯ ಬಣ್ಣ ಮುಡಿಯೊಳು ಸಂಜೆಯ ಅಂಚಿನ ಚಿನ್ನ ಹೊಳೆಗಳ ಸೆರಗಿನ ಅಚ್ಚೆಯ ಬಯಲು ಬಿರುಮಳೆಗಂಜದ ಬೆಟ್ಟದ ಸಾಲು ಹುಲಿ ಕಾಡಾನೆಗಳಲೆಯುವ ಕಾಡಿದು ಸಿರಿಗನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು ಸಿರಿಗನ್ನಡ ನಾಡು. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Thank you, Maithili. I think that was a wonderful composition describing our land, and I think we are proud to be from there. Next, we have Yashovanti from 8th semester C-section. She'll be presenting a folk song for all of us, and that is Mangalarati Belagiro Mahadevanike. We do not have a composer as such for folk songs, as because it's believed that it comes from generations from our ancestors. So there is no particular composer for our folk songs, and here we have Yashovanti presenting one such gem from our older generations. Yashovanti, over to you.
Thank you, ma'am. ಆಲುಮಲೆ ಜೇನುಮಲೆ ಗುಂಜುಮಲೆ ಗುಲಗಂಜಿಮಲೆ ಆಹಾ 77 ಮಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪದ ನಲಿದು ನಾಟ್ಯವಾಡುವಂತ ಆಹಾ ಆಹಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಾದೇವಂಗೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಉಘೆ ಅಂದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಉಘೆ 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 ಆ ಬತ್ತಿ ಈ ಬತ್ತಿ ಹೂ ಬತ್ತಿ ಸುರ್ಬತ್ತಿ ಸೂಸೂರ್ ಬತ್ತಿ ಸಾಂಬ್ರಾಣಿ ಬತ್ತಿ ಸಿರುಗಂಧದ ಬತ್ತಿ ಗೌಡ್ಸುತ್ತೆ 4 ಮಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಬತ್ತಿ ಈ ಬತ್ತಿ ಹೂ ಬತ್ತಿ ಸುರ್ಬತ್ತಿ ಸೂಸೂರ್ ಬತ್ತಿ ಸಾಂಬ್ರಾಣಿ ಬತ್ತಿ ಸಿರುಗಂಧದ ಬತ್ತಿ ಗೌಡ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಬಿದುರ್ ಬತ್ತಿಯೊಳಗೆ ಒಡೆದು ಮುರುಳಾಗುವಂತ 4 ಮಲೆಯ ಮುದ್ದು ಮಾದೇವಂಗೊಂದ್ಸಲ ಉಘೆ ಅಂದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಉಘೆ 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 ತಂದನ್ನ ತಾನಾನ ತಂದನ್ನ ತಾನಾನ ತಂದನಾನಿ ತಾನಾನೋ ತಂದನ್ನ ತಾನಾನ ತಂದನಾನಿ ತಾನಾನೋ ಮಂಗಳಾರತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿರೋ ಮಹದೇವಂಗೆ ಹೂವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಾಡ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಮಂಗಳಾರತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿರೋ ಮಹದೇವಂಗೆ ಹೂವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಾಡ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಕಡಿಯ ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹುಲಿಯ ಹುತ್ತ ಮಾಡಿ ಕಡಿಯ ಕಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹುಲಿಯ ಹುತ್ತ ಮಾಡಿ ಜೇನು ಮಲೆಗಾಗಿ ಹೊಟ ಮಹದೇವಂಗೆ ಜೇನು ಮಲೆಗಾಗಿ ಹೊಟ ಮಹದೇವಂಗೆ ಹೂವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಾಡ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಮಂಗಳಾರತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿರೋ ಮಹದೇವಂಗೆ ಹೂವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಾಡ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಆಕಾಶದಡದಾಗ ಧೂಪಾದ ಹೊಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಆಕಾಶದಡದಾಗ ಧೂಪಾದ ಹೊಗೆ ಎದ್ದು ಆಯ್ತು ಮಲ್ಲಯ್ಯನ ಶಿವ ಪೂಜೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಲ್ಲಯ್ಯನ ಶಿವ ಪೂಜೆ ಆದಾಗ ಆಕಾಶದ ಗಂಟೆ ಘಳಿರೆಂದು ಮಂಗಳಾರತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿರೋ ಮಹದೇವಂಗೆ ಹೂವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಾಡ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಮಹದೇವಂಗೆ ಹೂವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಾಡ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಹೂನಾಗ ಹೂದು ಗೌನ ಮಾಯಾಗ ಮಲ್ಲ ಗೌನ ಹೂನಾಗ ಹೂದು ಗೌನ ಮಾಯಾಗ ಮಲ್ಲ ಗೌನ ಮೊಗ್ಗಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣ ತೆರೆದ ಮಹದೇವಂಗೆ ಮೊಗ್ಗಾಗಿ ಕಣ್ಣ ತೆರೆದ ಮಹದೇವಂಗೆ ಹೂವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಾಡ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಮಂಗಳಾರತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿರೋ ಮಹದೇವಂಗೆ ಹೂವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಾಡ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಮಂಗಳಾರತಿ ಬೆಳಗಿರೋ ಮಹದೇವಂಗೆ ಹೂವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಾಡ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಹೂವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಾಡ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಮಹದೇವಂಗೆ ಹೂವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಾಡ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಹೂವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಾಡ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ ಮಹದೇವಂಗೆ ಹೂವ ಚೆಲ್ಲಾಡ ಬನ್ನೀರೋ. Thank you.
Thank you, Yashovanti. I think that was one of the unique presentations that we have had today. Next, we have Shivna, who's from second semester C-section, and she will also be accompanied by Akshata Bhaskar. She's singing a bhajan for us, and that is Prabhu Ramachandra Ki Doota. Shivna, over to you.
प्रभु रामचंद्र की धूता हनुमंता आंजनेया प्रभु रामचंद्र की धूता हनुमंता आंजनेया प्रभु रामचंद्र की धूता हनुमंता आंजनेया हनुमंता 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 आंजनेया हनुमंता 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 आंजनेया हनुमंता 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 आंजनेया हनुमंता 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 आंजनेया हे पवन पुत्र हनुमंता बलदेव आंजनेया हे पवन पुत्र हनुमंता बल भीमा आंजनेया हे पवन पुत्र हनुमंता बल भीमा आंजनेया बल भीमा आंजनेया बल भीमा आंजनेया बल भीमा बल भीमा बल भीमा आंजनेया बल भीमा बल भीमा बल भीमा आंजनेया 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 जय हो जय हो जय हो
Thank you, Shivna. That was, I think, a very nice bhajan by you and Akshita, both of you. Next, she's our last individual performer of the day. We have Jyotsna, and she will be performing for us from the instrument Veena, a composition which is Bho Shambho, composed by Dayananda Saraswati. Jyotsna, I think we get to hear you once more on your Veena.
My video.
Yes. Go ahead.
Wow. Thanks a lot, Jyotsna. The melodies of your Veena are sure to stay in our ears for a very, very long time to come. Thank you so much. Now, moving to the next part of our evening today. Today's times makes us reflect a lot on who are we, what is our identity, where do we really belong to, what is this concept of unity? But let us remind ourselves, unity is not sameness, unity is not uniformity. It is the state where you embrace diversity and when you let everyone express their cultures wholeheartedly. It is that state where we all sing our own songs individually, but together we do create harmonies. And that is what we should define us as a nation. And that is what we strive to achieve at BMSCA. So, ladies and gentlemen, here we have today a collaboration from the faculty and students of BMSCA. We present before you Mile Sur Mera Tumhara.
सुर की नदियाँ हर दिशा से बहके सागर में मिले बादलों का रूप लेकर बरसे हल्के हल्के मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सूर बने तेरे सुनीले मेरे सुनते नाल मिलके बने नवा सुल्तान मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तुम सुर बने दरिया बहके सागर में मिले बदला रूप लगे बरसन সৃষ্টি করু ওই তো সুর তোমার সুর মোদের সুর সৃষ্টি করু ওই তো সুর সৃষ্টি হোক ঐক্যতান सूर निरालो माझ्या तुमच्या जुटा तारा सुर की नदियां हर दिशा से बहके सागर में मिले बादलों का रूप लेके बरसे हल्के हल्के ओ मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा
मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा तो सुर बने हमारा तो सुर बने हमारा तो सुर बने हमारा
Well, I had goosebumps, and I'm sure you all will agree with me. This was a wonderful team effort, and thank you so much for all the singers, editors, mixers. Thank you so much for making this possible. Technically, we should have come to the end of our program by now, but then our director ma'am thought we will have some more fun today. We will have some more people singing, and since we have such illustrious faculty who are all extremely multi-talented and they all wanted to pitch in and sing for us today. So now first I call upon architect Tantrima Basista. Tantrima, you're here.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yeah, Tantrima, if you could switch on your video.
Yeah. Hi.
Hi.
Okay. Hello, everyone. So I'm going to sing today an Assamese song. I'm from Assam. So this is a song called Bistirno Parore. This is a song by Dr. Bhupen Hazarika. Most of you might have heard of him. So this is a song by Bhupen Hazarika, and this is a tribute. Assam is right now going through a lot of flood is going on, and this is about the song. The composition is about the river Brahmaputra, which goes wild every monsoon, and it's a boon and a curse at the same time, although we love it from the core of our heart. So the poem is questioning the Brahmaputra, like, why do you stand still and see all this happening around you? So I'd like to attempt it. Please forgive me if there is any mistake. Am I audible? Hello?
Yes, you are audible.
Is the Tanpura audible?
Yes, your Tanpura is audible.
Thank you. বিস্তীৰ্ণ পাৰৰে অসংখ্য জনৰে হাহাকাৰ শুনিও নিশব্দে নীৰৱে বুঢ়ালুইত তুমি বুঢ়ালুইত বোৱা কিয় বিস্তীৰ্ণ পাৰৰে অসংখ্য জনৰে হাহাকাৰ শুনিও নিশব্দে নীৰৱে বুঢ়ালুইত তুমি বুঢ়ালুইত বোৱা কিয় বিস্তীৰ্ণ পাৰৰে অসংখ্য জনৰে হাহাকাৰ শুনিও নিশব্দে নীৰৱে বুঢ়ালুইত তুমি বুঢ়ালুইত বোৱা কিয় নৈতিকতাৰ স্খলন দেখিও মানৱতাৰ পতন দেখিও নিৰ্লজ্জ অলস ভাৱে বোৱা কিয় জ্ঞানবিহীন নিৰক্ষৰৰ খাদ্যবিহীন নাগৰিকৰ নেতৃবিহীনতাত নিমাত কিয় সহস্ৰ বাৰিষাৰ উন্মাদনাৰ অভিজ্ঞতাৰে পংগু মানৱক সবল সংগ্ৰামী আৰু অগ্ৰগামী কৰি নোতোলা কিয় विस्तार है अपार प्रजा दोनों पार करे हाहाकार निशब्द सदा ओ गंगा तुम ओ गंगा बहती हो क्यों नैतिकता नष्ट हुई मानवता भ्रष्ट हुई निर्लज्ज भाव से बहती हो क्यों इतिहास की पुकार करे हुंकार ओ गंगा की धार निर्बल जन को सबल संग्रामी समग्रगामी बनाती नहीं हो क्यों विस्तीर्ण पाररे অসংখ্য জনৰে হাহাকাৰ শুনিও নিশব্দে নীৰৱে বুঢ়ালুইত তুমি বুঢ়ালুইত বোৱা কিয় বিস্তাৰ হে अपार प्रजा दोनों पार करे हाहाकार ओ गंगा की धार ओ गंगा तुम ओ गंगा बहती हो क्यों Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Tantrima. It's indeed true that music doesn't have a language. We probably couldn't understand what you were saying, but we could get your emotions. And we should all definitely keep Assam in our prayers. Thank you so much, Tantrima. Next up, we have architect Soumya. Soumya?
Yeah, I'm right here. Okay. Should I take off? Thank you. So yeah, this was a surprise. Thank you everybody for this. I'll be singing a Khyal, Chota Khyal, which is being sung by a Gopika Stree. She's singing it for Krishna. So as I go on, I'm sure you'll all understand that. Please excuse me for a long time I've been singing this. It's in Rag Bihar, by the way. लट उलझे सुलझावा नमवा लट उलझे सुलझावा नमवा पिया मोरे हाथों में मेहंदी लगी है पिया मोरे हाथों में मेहंदी लगी है लट उलझे सुलझावा नमवा लट उलझे सुलझावा नमवा माथे की बिंदिया Sapamapagamaga nidapamagamaga माथे की बिंदिया बिखर गई है माथे की बिंदिया बिखर गई है अपने हाथों लगा जा बलमवा अपने हाथों लगा जा बलमवा लट उलझे सुलझा बालमवा लट उलझे सुलझा बालमवा पिया मोरे हाथों में मेहंदी लगी है पिया मोरे हाथों में मेहंदी लगी है लट उलझे सुलझा 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 Thank you.
Thank you so much, Soumya. It was really nice. It's such a melodious song. Thank you so much. Next up, we have Namrata. Namrata, could you please unmute your microphone?
Yeah.
And if you could just change the angle of your camera so that we could see you.
Isn't it fine?
Yeah, this is better. This is better.
Okay, Sindhu. Thank you.
Yeah.
So I'm very pleased to perform today for this Agarna music evening. So right now I'm presenting a Ragamalika. So in this particular Ragamalika, each line in this song specifies in which raga this song is, this line is actually made. Okay, yeah, here it goes. Arabhirag priye Arabhirag priye Shankari Arabhirag priye Shankari Ananda Bhairaviye Parashivana Sati परम कल्याणी परशिवना सती परम कल्याणी येनेंदु पोगळली हंसध्वनि शिवकाम सुंदरी येनेंदु पोगळली हंसध्वनि शिवकाम सुंदरी आरभिराग प्रिये शंकरी आनंद भैरवीये संत सवानीडे सारंग पाणी देवी संत सवानीडे सारंग पाणी देवी चरण वेगतियंबे सामजगामिनी चरण वेगतियंबे सामजगामिनी चिंतेय काळेवा मोहन रूपिणी चिंतेय काळेवा मोहन रूपिणी ಎಂತುವಣಿ ಸಲಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀಲಲಿತಾಂಬಿಕೆ ಎಂತುವಣಿ ಸಲಮ್ಮ ಶ್ರೀಲಲಿತಾಂಬಿಕೆ ಆರಭಿ ರಾಗ ಪ್ರಿಯೇ ಶಂಕರಿ ಆನಂದ ಭೈರವಿಯೇ ಕಾನಡ ರಾಗದಿಂ ಪಾಡುವೆನೇ ದೇವಿ ಕಾನಡ ರಾಗದಿಂ ಪಾಡುವೆನೇ ದೇವಿ ಕರುಣಾಮಯಿ ಪರಮ ಭೈರವಿ ಕರುಣಾಮಯಿ ಪರಮ ಭೈರವಿ ಕಾಪಾಡುತ್ತಾಯೇ ಪೂರ್ವಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಕಾಪಾಡುತ್ತಾಯೇ ಪೂರ್ವಿ ಕಲ್ಯಾಣಿ ಜಯ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಸೋದರಿ ಮಧ್ಯಮಾವತಿ ದೇವಿ जय कृष्ण सोदरी मध्यमावती देवी हरभिराग प्रिये शंकरी आनंद भैरवी. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Namrata. That was so beautiful. In fact, to learn one raga, I think it takes years, and this song has so many ragas.
Yeah. The name of the raga is also there in that particular line when I'm singing.
Exactly.
That is the beauty of the song.
Yes, and it shows the kind of meticulous training you had to sing each of those ragas so perfectly. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. So now, after this, we have a special performance, a guest performance, in fact. So we here have today with us Mrs. Rupa Anirbanpal. And ma'am, are you here?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. Very warm welcome to Mrs. Anirban. We would love to listen to your song, and thank you so much for being part of the BMSCA family musical evening tonight.
Sure, ma'am.
Please go ahead.
Okay. I'm going to sing one very small, very old song of Lata Mangeshkar.
Sing.
आपकी नजरों ने समझा प्यार के काबिल मुझे दिल की ये धड़कन ठहर जा मिल गई मंजिल मुझे आपकी नजरों ने समझा जी हमें मंजूर है आपका ये फैसला जी हमें मंजूर है आपका ये फैसला कह रही है हर नजर बंदा पर बर शुक्रिया हंस के अपने जिंदगी में कर लिया शामिल मुझे आपकी नजरों ने समझा पर गई दिल बर मेरे आपकी परछाइयाँ पर गई दिल बर मेरे आपकी परछाइयाँ हर तरफ बजने लगी सैकड़ों शहनाइयाँ दो जहां के आज खुशियाँ कर गई कातिल मुझे आपकी नजरों ने समझा. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. That was so melodious. Anirban sir is really one lucky man out here. Thank you so much, ma'am. Next, we have Shweta.
Yes. I'll be singing a bhajan by Shri Krishna.
I thought they're ending them.
Shri Ram, Shri Ram,
श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् नवकञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुख करकञ्ज पद कञ्जारुणम् श्रीराम श्रीराम कन्दर्पगणितामित छवि नवनील नीरद सुन्दरम् पटपीतमानहु तडित रुचि शुचि नौमि जनक सुतावरम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् श्रीराम श्रीराम इति वदति तुलसीदास शङ्कर शेष मुनिवनरञ्जनम् मम हृदय कञ्ज निवास कुरु कामादिकलतर कञ्जनम् श्रीरामचन्द्र कृपालु भज मन हरण भव भयदारुणम् नवकञ्जलोचन कञ्जमुख करकञ्ज पद कञ्जारुणम् श्रीराम श्रीराम Thank you ma'am for the opportunity.
Thank you so much, Shweta. It was so melodious. We may all have caught a wink or two there. It was such a nice lullaby song. Thank you. Next, we have just realized that there is so much talent in our college that if we go on, we can actually have series out here, but we'll have to stop somewhere. And so we are coming to the final performance of the day. Sahana is going to sing a song for us. Sahana?
Yes. Hi.
Hi.
Ma'am, with your permission?
Yeah, Sana, all yours. Excellent job. Anyway, after yours, I would like to sum up. Go ahead.
Yes, ma'am. After that, I would like to give vote of thanks also. But yeah, this is the same raga as Shweta's, but different composition. Na 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 bhavayami gopala balam manasevitam tatpadam chintayeyam भावयामि गोपाल बालं मनसेवितं तत्पदं चिन्तयेयं सदा भावयामि गोपाल बालं मनसेवितं तत्पदं चिन्तयेयम् कटिघटितमेखला खचितमणिघण्टिका कटिघटितमेखला खचितमणिघण्टिका पटलनिनदेना विभ्राजमानम् कटिघटितमेखला खचितमणिघण्टिका पटलनिनदेना विभ्राजमानम् कुटिलपदघटित सङ्कुलशिञ्जितेनकं कुटिलपदघटित सङ्कुलशिञ्जितेनकं चटुलनटना समुज्ज्वलविलासं चटुलनटना समुज्ज्वलविलासं भावयामि गोपालबालं मनसेवितं तत्पदं चिन्तयेयम् निरतकरकलितनवनीतं निरतकरकलितनवनीतं ब्रह्मादि सुरनिकरभावनाशोभितपदम् निरतकरकलित नवनीतं ब्रह्मादि सुरनिकरभावनाशोभितपदम् तिरुवेङ्कटाचलस्थितं तिरुवेङ्कटाचलस्थितम् अनुपमं हरिं तिरुवेङ्कटाचलस्थितम् अनुपमं हरिं परमपुरुषं गोपालबालं परमपुरुषं गोपालबालं भावयामि गोपालबालं मनसेवितं तत्पदं चिन्तयेयं सदा भावयामि गोपालबालं मनसेवितं तत्पदं चिन्तयेयम् सदा Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sahana. No words. Thank you so much, really. Would now like our director, ma'am, to speak a few words.
Well, that was really a wonderful musical night. In fact, for some time, I was just lost and drowned in it. Like, it's really nice to see the bundle of talent from the faculty and from the students. And somehow I personally felt everyday evenings, either you spend time in so many other things, but today, this evening is going to be very close to my heart, because after a long time, I could connect to you all, to my students and to my faculty members and all the staff, non-teaching staff, through this musical night. And this keeps us going for many more days, and it keeps lingering all the time. And on behalf of BMS College of Architecture, I thank the management for giving us an opportunity to conduct this. And also I thank all the students and your parents and family members who were there with us this evening to support the event. I also thank all the faculty members, and more so, I would like to place on records the continuous efforts that has been put by our faculty, Sahana, who has really coordinated, worked on that, and made it such a beautiful evening for all of us. Along with her, our faculty members, Sindhushri and Shweta, were there all the time, and that Mile Suruhabar. I mean, that was amazing. And all the students, all of you, all the faculty members, each one of you, it was such a wonderful experience. And thank you once again, and hope to see many more of this kind, which keeps us going with a cheerful smile all the time. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those wonderful words. I would really love to give the vote of thanks right now. And again, I would like to wish everybody here a warm, welcoming evening. Hope you had a very nice time and had a wonderful journey through music today. What I would really like to say is sharing and listening to music, it's one of the most sublime magical aspects. It's a blessing for the humanity. Music, it's a wonderful magic. The key intention to host this event was actually to bring joy to the collective consciousness of the BMSCA family and everybody who is directly or indirectly associated with it, and hopefully many more, because our YouTube channel has gone live, and because of that many more will be able to listen to it again and again if they want to. But first and foremost, I would like to thank the motivator for this entire evening. The motivator for us to host this program is our beloved director, ma'am, Dr. Mamta P. Raj, ma'am, whose tireless catalytic efforts have always been behind the success of this institution. And she told this to all of you. Actually, she messaged me a couple of weeks ago regarding hosting such a musical event, and she asked me to discuss with the students about the same. She wanted this to be an event for the entire family of BMSCA along with their families. And thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for putting that seed into our minds, that seed of that idea into our minds. Hope you enjoyed it. I know we saw your awesome penguins and claps and your wonderful emojis on the messenger also here. And we really like to thank from our bottom of hearts for your encouragement in this regard. The next one is very important also. When I started off messaging student groups to know who would be interested in participating in these kind of events, or in this event for that matter, two of my colleagues saw these messages. I put this message in one of the student groups, and they were also part of that group, and they immediately called and said they want to pitch in and they would love to be a part of this event also. And that is architect Shweta Purohit and architect Sindhushri R. Prasad. I thank both of them wholeheartedly for their collaboration and unstinting support in bringing this event to fruition, because any event needs support, and these kind of supports are very collaborative in nature. And it is always a joy to work with others to come up with these kind of programs also. And that is where they helped a lot. A lot of students showed tremendous interest, and that is actually seen today. They showed their interest in helping and coordinating and participating in the event. That is one. And they also spread a lot of word amongst their classmates, because the 10th semester students also got this information and they also wanted to pitch in and they wanted to participate. And a lot of messages poured in when I put this message across to students, wanting to know what the details were and which way they could help and how was this conducted and all of that. So I warmly thank all the students for their support, but I would like to highlight these names because they have been part and parcel of this event. And in the order of their semesters, I would like to call out their names. From second semester, it is Anirudh Kalkunte and Shivnavi Nayak. And from fourth semester, it is Jyotsna Hebbar, Harshavardhan, Maithili Vanahalli and Santosh. From sixth semester, it is Likhita C. From eighth semester, it is Manjula HS and Yashovanti YA. And from 10th semester, it's Sridevi Bhatt, who all participated in this event. From PG second semester, it is Akshata Bhaskar and Rashmi Shabadi. From PG fourth semester, as a special appearance in our video, it is Rohit Aras, who sang the part of Vidwan Balmurli Krishna also. And I would also want to render special thanks to Manjula HS for the wonderful and vibrant poster that she did. And Akshata Bhaskar and Shweta, both of them sat together in their respective houses, of course, and they did an excellent editing of the video. It was a 2-day effort completely to put in a lot of effort, lot of time, lot of patience to take in series of videos from many people and put together, synchronize the background music. It was a tremendous effort on their part. I would really like to thank them for that wonderful collaborative video which happened today. And also special thanks to all the faculty who sang for the group performance video. In order of their appearance in the video itself, I would like to thank them. Namrata, Malavika, Shweta, Shantala ma'am, Anirban sir and Rupa madam, Tantrima, Maithili Velangi and Saumya, all of them were there in the video. And also the next most important part, or rather the most important part, is the technical assistance. Today we are all sitting online. We want to have things done through the internet, through these kind of platforms, online platforms, be it MS Teams or YouTube. And all that requires a lot of technical assistance. Not everybody knows how to handle these kind of platforms. And it is the new normal right now. So we need to be live, we need to be with the video, we need to have assistance. For this assistance, Santosh sir and Shivakumar sir contributed very much. And they were actually constantly bombarded with questions by us to help us in various ways, various technical glitches we faced while organizing this. And they were extremely helpful and patient with us in organizing this event on the Teams as well as YouTube. And this is the first time I want to place it on record that BMSCA has gone live on YouTube also. We have our own channel, and this is the first event which has gone across on YouTube, and many people across the globe are watching this. That was only possible due to the efforts of them, and we sincerely thank them for their help and support. And also the last but most important is the audience. We would really love to thank you all for your patient watching and listening our debut event, and you're all a part of this initiative. Hope you all enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Thank you all for being a part of this musical journey. Ma'am, thank you so much for this opportunity for us to explore this.
Yeah, I once again thank all of you and have a nice evening. Good night.
Good night. Good night, all of you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Good night, all of you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so
Come to
much,
the end
ma'am.
of this beautiful evening. Thank you all for participating. We assure you we'll meet you with more such amazing evenings in the future. Thank you. Good night. Stay safe. Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka.
Thank you, ma'am.